Romeo, Romeo. She's up in the tower. Wherefore art thou, Romeo? I'm right here. No, wherefore means why. Oh, sorry.
Can you move them closer together?
How's that? She's up in the tower, though. She can't.
I know, but the camera doesn't fit.
Juliet, I want to kiss you. Come to me. But there's no stairs. I'm just trapped in this tower. Well, then jump. I'll catch you. But, Romeo, it's like 60 feet. It's okay, baby. I love you. Just jump. I'll catch you with my hand. That's a mouth. Okay, you sure about this? Yes, jump. I love you. Okay, I'm coming. Juliet. Juliet. Oh, fuck. No, Juliet, stop fucking around. Just wake the fuck up. Well, I guess I'm living the life of a bachelor now. Hey, bitches, fucking Mercutio here in drag, according to that fucking movie we had to watch in Miss Corey's class. Okay, here's a better story. I am the Joe Fine of the sea, the ruler of the Joe Fine's navy, whose praise Joe Fine loudly shouts. And we are his Joe Fines and his cousins and his aunts. And we are his Joe Fines and his cousins and his aunts.
His Joe Fines and his cousins and his aunts.
When at Joe Fine here I ride, my Joe Fine swells with Joe, and I snap my fingers at a Joe Mince dance, and so do his Joe Fines and his cousins and his aunts, and so do his Joe Fines and his cousins and his aunts, his Joe Fines and his cousins and his aunts. But when, hold on, blankets. When the Joe Fine blows, I generally Joe below. Get it? To seek the seclusion that a Joe Fine grunts. And so do his sisters and his cousins and his blah. And so do his sisters and his cousins and his aunts.
His sisters and his...
cousins
Where's your foot?
who me reckons up.
Where's your foot?
His Joe Fines and his cousins who he reckons up by dozens and his aunts.